In Pakistan, relentless monsoon rains have turned deadly. Entire villages in Khyber, Pakhtunkhwa have been wiped out and hundreds of lives lost. Survivors describe a catastrophe unlike anything they've ever seen as floodwaters continue to rise and more rain is on the way. Verhil Parba has the latest.
Entire villages have been left in ruins. Homes lie flattened or partially collapsed, while survivors can be seen crossing fast-moving waters on improvised wooden planks. Local witnesses described the scale of destruction as unlike anything they have ever seen.
उधर में मेरे जिंदगी में सबसे बड़े सारे हैं तकरीबन इससे पहले कोई नहीं हुआ तो ये सबसे बड़ा सारे है कम से कम तकरीबन 180 के ऊपर जो है ना बंदे उसमें फौतगी हुई है.
The National Disaster Management Authority said most casualties occurred in the province's 36 districts, including Buner. Earlier tallies have reported 320 deaths, but the number quickly climbed as rescue operations continued. Residents recounted how entire families were swept away.
जब तो सुबह में ड्यूटी के लिए जा रहा था तो रास्ते में जब देखा तो बहुत ज्यादा पानी आ रही थी, बहुत ज्यादा ऊंची तरफ से आ रही थी. मैंने देखा तो मैं रास्ते से वापस आके चीहे मार रहे थे कि जान बचाओ. काफी लोग इस पे बच गए हैं, कुछ लोग पहाड़ों पर चढ़ गए, कुछ साइड पे हो गए. और ये जिस जगह पे हम खड़े हैं ये 3-4 घराने थे, ये बिल्कुल पानी में बह गए हैं, इसका कोई हैसियत बाकी नहीं रहा.
Authorities have warned of further downpours in the northwest and advised people to stay away from high-risk areas. Heavy monsoon rains regularly batter Pakistan between July and September, but overcrowding and poor drainage systems in rural and mountainous communities make the destructions particularly severe. This is Verhil Parba, your citizen correspondent, reporting for New Zealand World.